Good morning students, Saira. Welcome back to the computer session. In the last session, we have already started a chapter number 7, that is working with tables and using mail merge. Let us see what we have learned in the last session. In the last session, we have learned how to formatting an entire table, how to change the column width, splitting cells, merging cells, how to apply borders and shading, how to resizing tables, and how to align the text in the table, and how to do calculation in a table. In this session, we will learn how to do mail merge. For that, we need a data source, main document, and merge field. So, we will learn how to creating a mail merge document. In that, we will learn creating a recipient list, inserting merge fields, viewing the merge data, and how to print your letters. Okay. So, what is mail merge? Mail merge feature, okay, in Word, mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. That means while doing mail merge, we will create a main document and one more file, that is data source. After that, we will combine the data, right? So, mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. So, it saves our time and energy and send letters at multiple address. So, suppose you want to send a same information or same content, okay, multiple people, then you will use a mail merge option. So, let us learn how to create a mail merge feature. Okay, mail merge document. For that, mail merge involves three basic steps. The first one is creating a main document. The main document means what? Here our main document is letter, right, or content. Second step is specifying a data source. So, data source means what? Address. So, recipient address. So, those whom you want to send a multiple people. So, those address you have to add. And the third step, after creating main document and data source, the third step is merging the data source with the main document. Yes, children? Okay. So, let us, okay, now let us learn how to merge the field. So, merge field is what? It is a data item such as name, address, city, pin. So, okay. So, let us learn. Okay. Can you see here main document? The main document means I have created a main document with the help of MS Word. Okay. So, this is a letter. The simple letter. Okay. So, this letter I have to send multiple people, isn't it? So, for that I need an address. So, I have written here Kabir, Ridhima, Anika and Manas. Okay, I have taken here 4 addresses. Okay, now let us learn one by one, okay, with the help of steps. For that we will open a Microsoft Word. Yes, children, we will open a Okay, let us open a Microsoft Word. So, letter is already typed. So, we want a letter in this type, name, right, address. You can see the address. I have written Manas sector 1. This is my address, right? Okay. So, this type of address we want to send, right? Okay. Now, this is the main document. Now, we will go to the mailing tab. Okay. Click on the mailing tab. You can see in the right side, okay, options are there, right? So, mailing tag and letters, select the letter, or already letter is typed now. Okay, we will delete the address. Okay, we will delete the address afterwards. So letter is already there. This letter I want to send multiple people. Okay, to with the help of mail merge. Okay, I'm okay. Now next letter. Okay, in that letter, so letter is over. Now click on the next tab. Now you can see here, use an existing list, select from contact and type a new list. Now list is not there, I am going to select a type a new list. As soon as I type a new list, you can see the dialog box is there, right? And that dialog box, you can see different types of field names are there. Title is there, first name, right, last name, address 1, address 2. But I don't want all the field name. I want only a few field name. Okay, we will select the address 1. Okay, we will select address 1 and we will select city and we will select a home phone or work phone. Okay, and city. Okay, state also we will remove later. Okay, now we will select rest all. We'll click on the customize and one by one, okay, field we will delete. So you can keep whichever you want. Rest all you can customize. So you can customize the field name. Is that clear? Okay. Now see, can you see here only 5 field names are there, right? The first one is address, right? The first address, then city is there, state is there and the work phone. I want to remove the state also now. Okay, now I have written here name Manas, sector 20 is address 1 and the third one is city is, yes, I will write as Chandigarh and the fourth one is state, right? I want to remove the state. Okay, so now how will I remove? Again click on the customize. Okay, can you see the customize button? Right? Click on the customize button and remove the state field. Yes, children. Okay, now we are creating a recipient list. Now see, okay, delete and click on the OK. So you are creating type new list because list is not there in my computer. So we are going to create a list. Okay, now second address again. So the same way, write the name, address, city and phone number. Okay, 4 fields we have taken. Click on the new entry. Once the one entry is over, click on the new entry button. Okay, and enter the records. Is that clear? Okay, you can see the by default always tick marks are placed on the check box on the left side of the records. Okay, it gives an indication that the records are selected. Whenever you can see the tick marks, that means it gives the indication that the records are selected. Okay, we have already entered a third record. Now we are going to enter a fourth one, right? Okay, the third one. Okay, over now. Now click on the next. Okay, the third one is over. Now the next one. The fourth one now. Okay, fourth one. The first one we have taken, right, Manas, right, then Kabir, and the last one we have taken Ridhima, right. Right, children. So completed 4 recipient address, right. In that we have written name, address, city and pin. And save your file. As soon as click OK, you can see the dialog box. There you have to save your file. Okay, that means the data source is also, we have completed the data source, and we have completed the main document also. Main document is which one? Where we have written the letter, and the data source is recipient address. So the address where you have written the address, so that file is known as a data source file. Okay. Now how to merge the, yes, now creating a mail. Okay, now how to merge the letter now. Okay, now for that we will remove that address. Okay, with the help of mail merge we are going to merge the file. So no need to, yes, we will remove the, yes. Okay, this is a simple letter now. Okay, now insert the merge fields. Can you see here the more, here you can see the more button in the right side. You click there. When you click, you can see all the address, the field name. You will get the field name. Okay, more items. Click on the more items and select the field name. So can you see there all the field names? Select one by one field. After the year, I want to select the particular name. So the field name is first name. Okay. Now rest all I'll take. Okay, click on the close button. Okay, now take the cursor up. Okay, there I am going to select all the field names. That is the first name, then city, okay, one by one. Address line number 1, first name, then address line 1, city and work phone, and close the dialog box. Now I want the address one by one. So I will take the field down. Okay, take the field down one by one. Okay, this is the first method. So now one more method is there that I will show you how to insert the field name. So this way also you can insert the field name, or you can do, click on the insert merge field button in the right hand insert field group on the mailing tab. Click on the mailing tab. In that you can see right and insert field. Can you see that right and insert field? There you can see a insert merge field button. Okay, when you click on the insert merge field button, you will get all the field names. Okay, now see, from there I will insert. Okay, this is the second method to insert a field name. So the click on insert merge field button and see now first name. Now you can see select one by one field name. Is that, children? Is that clear? So this is the second method to select the field name. Okay. Okay. Now the next step is, the last step is merging the file. Okay. Now click on the what? Merge file. Okay. Merge file. Can you see there? Yes, maybe here. Click on the merge file. Okay. You can use the wizard also from right side, or you can use the merge field button and merge. Okay. So you can see that preview. Okay. Now, okay, after clicking merge, can you see there the first name, the one letter you can see here, right? But we have written 4 recipient address, right? So now you can see there in the mailing tabs. Can you see that preview? In that preview you can see 1. Just click the arrow. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the 4 letters. Now we will edit individual. Click on the edit individual, or you can click on the edit individual and click on OK. Okay, or directly you can print it. See, page number, write the page number. If you want to print, just write the page number. Okay, so check whether the MS Word has picked up the data source according to the merge field or not. Just you can view it on the screen. Okay, click on the review. See the review group. Now the Kabir is the second one. Now again click the third one, arrow key. Can you see the arrow key? And the fourth letter is Anika's letter, right? See, can you see now all the letters with content? Okay, understood now? So under you can see 4 steps, 6 steps, isn't it? Okay. Okay, this way you can merge the, yes. Now how to print it? You can take the printout of your letter with the merge data of your data source. Click on finish and merge button. See, now click on finish and merge and click on. So automatically you will get 4. Now you can see in the one page all the 4 letters, right? Yes, children. Okay, now understood. Okay, how to do a merge. Okay, so what is mail merge now? So for that mail merge, so mail merge involves how many steps? 3 test steps. Creating a main document. So main document is a letter. Second one is specifying data source. The data source means what? Address. We have to write the address in one file. We have to save that file and we have to merge the data source and main document with the help of mail merge option. Yes, children. So all of you understood now? Okay. So we will learn in the online session also. In the online session, we will learn again a mail merge, how to create a mail merge. Okay. So the mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. Why we are using mail merge option? It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple address. Okay, children. So we will stop this session. Sai Ram.